So to make it, you want to start with some unbleached all-purpose flour. Here we have 3 cups in a bowl. And we're going to add just a smidge of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and just mix that into the flour. And the dough is very simple. There's no yeast whatsoever, so this is not a risen dough. And then we want about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So that goes in. And enough water to make a dough. So let's start with about 1/2 cup and just mix this around. You could also do this in a food processor if you want to. So here we have a rested dough. So we have to take a little time here to get this into the diameter that we want it. So we've got to use a little arm wrestling. So now for the center, for what's going in the Focaccia di Recco, you have to use a particular cheese. And the cheese for this is called stracchino. Also goes by the name Crescenza. And what it is a very creamy cow's milk cheese. You see, it's just extremely soft. I'll show you how very creamy that is. Now imagine what that is going to taste like after it's baked. So we want to use all this cheese. And as this is baking, all this is going to melt and create this fabulous, fabulous taste. Lift this up and plop it right there, and then just fit it over the cheese. Stretch it over that cheese. And now what we have to do is just fold this dough in on itself, just like that. You can do this with your fingers if you want. See how easy this is? But very delicious. And now we want to brush this with some extra virgin olive oil over the top. Here is our coarse sea salt. We're going to sprinkle that on top, just like that. So that's the Focaccia di Recco ready to go in the oven. We did it on a perforated pie pan so the bottom would cook as well, nice and crispy, so it won't be soggy. So we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to watch it for about 35 or 40 minutes. And look at the bottom. Beautiful. And that's because that pan helps to keep it that way.